Let's review the different procedures we have for making multiple comparisons. When we have planned comparisons, that is, a priori comparisons we have specified before collecting the data, with one or two planned comparisons, no correction to alpha is usually needed. That is, with a statistically significant main effect from the overall ANOVA, we can look at one or two planned comparisons without changing anything about how we make those tests. With 3 or 5 planned comparisons, the Bonferroni correction is usually most powerful. That is, if there really is an effect, correcting your alpha using the Bonferroni correction is the best way to go about this. With more than 5 planned comparisons, it turns out the Tukey-Kramer procedure is usually most powerful. When you have many comparisons, in that last case with 190, a Bonferroni correction becomes overly conservative. Imagine dividing your alpha by 190 and having to surmount that value with your p-value. For unplanned comparisons, that is post hoc comparisons that you allow the data to suggest to you, you need to use the Tukey-Kramer HSD. A Bonferroni correction is never appropriate unless you're correcting for every possible pairwise comparison. For instance, in that last example, we could use a Bonferroni correction if we divided alpha by 190 and then compared each p-value to the alpha corrected value, 0.05 divided by 190.